I want to introduce you to my latest project. I managed to find this on the World Wide Web. Very rare in these days. 40 years old, believe me or not, but it's holding together quite well, and I am renovating this to at least my highest standards. If you want to follow the build and the maiden flight in spring, just tune to my YouTube channel so you can experience this with me. Enjoy the sound of 4-stroke engines. I want to thank you also Junior for supporting me that day. It was very cold day and his hands was freezing in the air blast. So thank you for that. Without you I won't be able to test this, and I was very excited after many weeks of putting the fuselage together, installing the engines and making sure everything is in right order. Looking forward to spring, because by the time the spring arrives, hopefully I will finish the rest and make this such a unique and rare in these days beautiful model flying again. Look how powerful as the light. Can you see the light beam on the prop?